Welcome everyone to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're baking up a batch of seriously fudgy brownies, but they aren't just any brownies. We've got a delicious surprise hidden inside. We're layering them with white chocolate Kit Kats for an extra burst of flavor and texture that will absolutely delight your taste buds. Sound good? Well, grab your apron and let's reveal the magic. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to prep my pan. It's an 8 by 8 inch baking pan. I'm going to line it with some parchment paper, leaving an overhang so that we can lift out our brownies. Now I'm just going to set that aside. Now I have a large bowl. I'm going to put in 6 ounces of chocolate chips. So these are semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mine are mini chips. You can use regular sized chips. And 1/2 cup of butter that I've cut up in cubes. Now I'm going to take it to the microwave, and I'm going to microwave it for 30-second intervals until it's all melted together and smooth. Now we're going to add to our chocolate and butter mixture, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs that I've lightly whisked. Now I'm going to whisk in 1 cup of white sugar, white granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. If you think your cocoa powder or your flour are kind of lumpy, you can go ahead and sift them in so that they're nice and smooth. Now we're just going to whisk this all together. Now these make a really good fudgy brownie. If you wanted to, actually to save time, you could use a brownie mix for this part. It doesn't matter. Or even, I'll put a link below for the brownie mix that I make that's kept in my pantry. We just want it whisked together so that there's no flour left that's not coated. Okay, now I'm going to take my pan that we've already prepared. I'm going to put 1/2 of our batter mixture in the bottom. Now I have our white chocolate Kit Kat bars. You could actually use any flavor of the Kit Kat bars that you think sounds good. I like the white, I like white chocolate, and I like the contrast when you cut them open. And we're just going to fit them down in the pan as best as possible. You might have to cut some or break some of them. And just kind of press them down a little bit. So that was using 5 Kit Kat bars with some left over. Now we're going to take our batter and put the rest of it across the top. Now if you don't care if it's a surprise that there's the Kit Kats in the middle, you could crumble some up and put on the top, but I like having that little hidden treasure in there. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 25 or 30 minutes or until a toothpick put in the center comes out clean. And there you have it, our fudgy decadent brownies with that amazing creamy, crunchy white chocolate Kit Kat surprise in the middle. So easy to make and oh so delicious to eat. These hidden treasure brownies are a guaranteed crowd pleaser. What's your favorite candy to put in brownies? Share your ideas in the comments. Thanks for baking with me, and as always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. If you enjoyed seeing this tasty creation, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious food adventures. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.